Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, access settings, then scroll down and click on shortcuts and accessibility. Then you need to click on one-handed mode and click on this word next to access mini screen using gesture, over here to enable one-handed mode. Then follow those instructions. I have to slide inward from the edge of the screen and then slide out. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can always hold it and drag it. Then let go. If you wish to go back into the standard mode, click on the X icon. And if you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!